Hello and welcome to Rahman Digital Production. Today we are going to start a new series and that is SQLite. SQLite is a self-contained serverless zero configuration transactional SQL database engine. Here is a brief introduction to its key feature. Number one is self-contained. SQLite is a complete database system that operates independently of any other database management system. It is an embedded database, meaning the database engine and the database itself reside within the application using it. Number two is in case of other SQL servers, it is serverless. Unlike many other database systems, SQLite doesn't require a separate service process to operate. All operations are handled within the application itself, simplifying deployment and reducing overhead. Number three, zero configuration. This is very important. SQLite requires minimal configuration. There is no need for installation or setup, and it doesn't require a complex configuration file. You can start using it by simply including the SQLite library in your application. The fourth very important key feature is transactional. SQLite is a fully asset compliant database. What does it mean? Meaning it supports atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability. That is what ACID stands for. This ensures reliable and predictable transaction processing. The fifth one is cross-platform. Yes, very important. What does it mean? It means that SQLite is cross-platform running on various operating systems like Windows, Mac operating system, Linux, iOS, and Android as well. The database file created by SQLite are also cross-platform compatible. The nutshell is SQLite's simplicity, efficiency, and ease of integration make it an excellent choice for many applications requiring a lightweight database solution. So it is not that much heavy as we are having SQL Server. So here we are going to install the DB browser. Let's understand how database browser for SQLite can be installed on Windows 10. First, you have to click on the browser, Chrome browser, and here you have to write DB browser for SQLite. And here from the first option, you have to select download, and then you have to select your operating system. My one is 64-bit Windows, so I am selecting this third one. As soon as I am pressing, the download will start and it will take few moments to be downloaded on your system. Okay, as you can see that the download is completed. Now we have to single click on it, and the installation process will start automatically. First, you have to click on the next, and then you have to accept the agreement, and then you have to click on the next. Here you have to select only this option. This will create a desktop icon to easily open DB browser for SQLite, and then click on the next. Leave all the things as default. This is a location where SQLite will be installed. If you want to change it, you can click on the browse button and select a new location. I'm not doing. If you need it, you can do that. I'm clicking just on next button and everything is okay. Now I have to click on the install button. I have to click on the S for administrative privileges, and you can see that it is downloaded and installed on your system. So let us now open this database. How to open this database? There is a DB browser on the it. So I am just double clicking on it. Here you have to click. So if I am creating a new database, then you can create this database. I don't need these environments, so I can remove these windows. So new database, and when you are clicking a new database, you have to select a location for it. I am selecting a file which is already I created. Dear students, I have created SQL database folder and I am writing my first database, so you can select it from here. These there are zero table, zero indices, zero weaves, zero triggers. We will talk about all these components of SQLite one by one. Our today's job is to create a table. So here I am writing the table name. For example, I am writing employees, and then I am clicking on add. So first field will be added is employee ID, and this is an integer and I am making it as a primary key. I have to click on new, that is the first name, and that will be the data type of this will be text. Click on next. I am writing last name, and here also the data type will be text. Add a new one. For example, I am writing the salary, so it will be real. These are the data types available inside it, and through the SQL command you can also create. In the next lecture we will create all these things with the SQL command, which is the main purpose of this. Okay, so click on OK. So one table employee is created for you. You can create another table from here, and if you want to click on modify table, and you have to save it, so you can modify it from here. So in this way you can create the database. Here you can enter the data one, and then I am writing Zahur, and here I am writing Rahman, and salary is dollar 200. Similarly, you can add another one as well. So if you want to add another value inside it, so here you will click this button, and you can see that another record you can enter by here. So 2, and here I am writing Manzoor Rahman, and salary is $300. If you want to delete a record, then first select that record, and here you have to click on this record, this button, that is a delete the record. You can see directly it is deleted. So that was the whole story about how to create a database, how to create a table, and how to create insert a record inside it, how to modify the structure if you want to modify the structure of this table. so you can modify the structure as well. This is the datasheet view in which you can insert the data. Okay, tomorrow we will do many more things inside it. Thanks for your time.